Japan is a land of captivating contrasts, where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. Whether you're wandering the streets of Tokyo, soaking in a hot spring in Hakone, or savoring sushi in Osaka, packing the right essentials can make your trip stress-free and memorable. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to pack for Japan, from seasonal clothing to cultural must-haves, so you're prepared for an incredible journey. Japan experiences all 4 seasons, so packing the right clothing is essential. Let's break it down by season. Spring, March to May. Think light layers, like a comfortable jacket, cardigans, and breathable tops. Spring mornings and evenings can be chilly, but the afternoons are pleasant, especially under the cherry blossoms. Summer, June to August. Japan's summer is hot and humid. Pack lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen, and don't forget a hat and sunscreen for protection from the strong sun. Autumn, September to November. Layers are key here too, with cooler mornings and evenings. A light jacket or sweater is perfect for enjoying the stunning fall foliage. Winter, December to February. If you're visiting cities like Tokyo or Kyoto, a warm coat, gloves, and scarves will suffice. For northern areas like Hokkaido, pack heavier winter gear to brace for the snow. No matter when you visit, a compact rain jacket or umbrella is a must, as sudden showers are common in Japan. Japan is a walking-friendly country, so comfortable shoes are essential. Whether you're strolling through ancient temples, trekking up Mount Takao, or exploring Tokyo's vibrant neighborhoods, your feet will thank you. Opt for shoes that are easy to slip on and off, as many traditional places like ryokans, temples, and some restaurants require you to remove your footwear at the entrance. Don't leave home without the essentials. Here's what you need to pack for a seamless trip: your passport and any required visas. A Japan Rail Pass, which is a fantastic investment for unlimited train travel across the country. Remember, you must purchase it before arriving in Japan. Pre-booked tickets or printed itineraries for popular attractions, as they can sell out quickly, especially during peak seasons. Also, don't forget a universal power adapter and a portable charger to keep your devices running throughout your travels. Japan's convenience stores stock almost everything, but it's always a good idea to pack your favorite personal care items. Here are a few to consider. Your preferred skincare products, as Japanese brands may differ from what you're used to. Deodorant, as some varieties in Japan might not match your needs. Travel-sized toiletries to comply with airline restrictions if you're flying with carry-on luggage. A small towel and a reusable water bottle can also come in handy, especially if you plan to visit onsens or spend a day exploring. Japan is a tech-savvy destination, but reliable connectivity is key. Make sure to rent a pocket Wi-Fi device or purchase a local SIM card for seamless internet access. Download essential apps like Google Maps for directions and Hyperdia for train schedules. These will be your best friends when navigating Japan's complex yet efficient transportation system. Respecting Japan's culture goes a long way. Bring reusable chopsticks and shopping bags to align with the country's eco-conscious practices. If you're visiting locals or staying with a host family, a small gift or souvenir from your home country is a thoughtful gesture of appreciation. Long train rides or busy sightseeing days call for snacks. Pack some portable options like granola bars or trail mix. Also, bring any necessary prescription medications and a basic first aid kit. Japanese over-the-counter medications may differ from what you're familiar with, so it's best to be prepared. Don't forget a notebook and pen. They're useful for jotting down addresses or phrases in Japanese. A travel guidebook can also come in handy if you're exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Lastly, a reusable water bottle will keep you hydrated, and some cash is essential, as many smaller establishments don't accept credit cards. packing smart can make your trip to Japan not only stress-free but also more enjoyable. Remember to pack light, plan for the seasons, and embrace the culture. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your packing tips in the comments below. Safe travels, and I'll see you in Japan.